Hi all, we are going to see how to make a calligraphy in an easy and simple step. I am going to write I love you mom using gel pen. The pen which I used in this video is a Hi-Fashion gel pen from Flair brand. This is something cost around 10 rupees each. And you can use any material, either ruled or unruled paper for making this video. If you are writing in unruled paper, it is always good to make the guidelines before writing it, I can suggest. First you can complete the letters in this way. So the thumb rule of making any calligraphy is whenever your strokes going upward, remember that you should always make a thin stroke, and whenever your stroke going down the line, you should make a thick stroke. We should always remember this step and follow the guidelines. So now I am making a thick stroke because my stroke is going down the line, and this is thick stroke again. And in L, this is thick stroke. My stroke is going down the line. Also, you should maintain the same gap for all the thick stroke for all the letters. And this is down the line, thick stroke. This is down the line, thick stroke. E is down the line. O is this way. This is down the line. So the idea is, by using normal gel pen, so we are making in a calligraphy style. So whenever we want to use a thick stroke, we are making a line of it, then we will fill it. So in this way anyone can achieve their good calligraphy, what I believe. So now I am filling the gap. So once I fill this gap, your calligraphy will get ready. So I want to make some good design around it. For that I am making one heart shape around the design. In that heart shape I am going to fill some dotted line by using all the colors that you can see later. Also I used heart shape because that design will look good. So the calligraphy is ready now. I am going to make the design around it. So draw a thin line of it. I am going to fill the dotted line. So the calligraphy is ready. That's it. If you like this video, please like, comment and share to your friends, and subscribe to Stylish Writer for more videos like this in future. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.